Good morning, friends. How are you all? Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about marketing plan of DXN. Before starting my session, I would like to welcome each and every one of you for today's program. Most of the time it will be in English because there are some members who requested little bit Hindi also to be added. So in between, maybe sometime I may add something in Hindi also. Never mind. But most of the time I will be explaining the slides in English only. It is going to be a fantastic training. Why? Because many of the members across the globe earning through DXN loyalty program. So it is a golden opportunity to learn for you how DXN is distributing money across the globe. Today we are going to learn that. Starting from what is the plan, what is the percentage, how we will calculate each and everything we are going to share today. So if you are able to hear me properly, you can raise your hand because I'm not able to see you. I know, okay, many people are raising their hand. That means my voice is audible and you will be able to see me. मेरे को देख भी सकता है. Okay, excellent. I think my English will be simple English. Anybody who is speaking Nepali, Bangladeshi, Hindi, they can also understand my English because very simple English. I'm not going to use the complicated English language because I don't know also complicated English language. So nothing to worry. And moreover, we are going to discuss about many of the technical terms and terms used in the marketing plan. First of all, we should learn what is the name of the marketing plan. DXN is having a loyalty program. DXN is having a marketing program, marketing plan. What is the name of that? From there, we will start. So once again, because now also people are joining, so I will just maybe 30 seconds more I will take to start. Meanwhile, I welcome all of you to today's webinar, which is marketing plan of DXN. I take this opportunity to thank you complete Middle East management who provide me the chance to present this marketing plan before you, especially my boss, Mr. Salim Shajir, marketing director, who is assisting me and who is assisting you all people continuously for many years to develop the business. Thank you very much, all Middle East management and all Middle East staff and all members or leaders who are listening me. Today, one more thing I would like to share. If you attend this complete program, maybe it will take 1 hour, 10 minutes only. If you attend complete program and understand fully, then we are going to announce one marketing workshop that will be Zoom meeting with a limited number, maybe in July. That date will be announced soon. Only those who are attending properly this theoretical part, understanding all the theoretical part, they will be allowed to join the marketing workshop. Marketing workshop we will do. Earlier also we have done practical marketing workshop in the offices where we discussed the various illustration, how to calculate the bonus with the different examples and illustrations. So here also in the virtual meeting, in Zoom meeting, we will be planning to teach each and every member who are very much interested to know about the marketing plan, how to compute the bonus of DXN. Many people out of 100, many people does not know what is a marketing plan and how to compute the bonus, etc. One thing I want to share you, whether you are knowing or not, whether you know it or not, no problem, because company will calculate in a proper way, 100% correct way, and give your bonus. Whether you learn marketing plan or not, nothing to worry. But one thing is there, this is a business of team building, and you are going to become a leader, and you are going to lead a team of so many members, then naturally you should know marketing plan, because whenever your member, your leaders are asking you, sir, please explain about the marketing plan, then if you don't know, what will be your answer? You will be in trouble. Maybe you are now Star Diamond or SSD or ESSD. When you become Crown Diamond or Crown Ambassador, that level, top level, naturally there will be a question from your many leaders, sir, please give a session for marketing plan. Then you cannot say, I don't know marketing plan of DXN. Okay, आपको शर्म हो जाएगा, आप फंस जाएगा अपना टीम का अंदर. तो इसलिए आपको मार्केटिंग प्लान सीखना है, सिर्फ बोनस मिलने के लिए नहीं है. मार्केटिंग प्लान आप सीखो ना सीखो, आपको बोनस है डीएक्सन कंपनी देंगे, चिंता मत करो, वो कंपनी करता है प्रॉपर कैलकुलेशन. बट फिर भी जब आप डीएक्सन का बिजनेस करता है, आपको ये लर्न करने का भी है. When you are doing DXN business, you must learn marketing plan and how the company, DXN company, is calculating bonus. The first point is, what is the name of the marketing plan of DXN? That is a question. It is already written in the slide. That is called SIMB, S-I-M-B, SIMB. S-I-M-B, SIMB. If you understood, please raise your hand. SIM, S stand for simplified, I stand for improved, M stand for marketing, P for plan. So what is the name of the marketing plan? SIMB. Simplified, improved marketing plan. Once again, simplified, improved marketing plan. See, you take one sheet of paper and pen and write down this and learn. It is not a lecture only, something like you can feel it as a workshop. If you are not writing down the points, you may not be able to understand completely. When you write down, you are looking at the paper also, and you will be able to visualize this picture in your mind. So it will be thorough for you. So please write down, take a sheet of paper, take a diary, and write the points which I am sharing with you. So what is the name of the marketing plan? Marketing plan name is SIMB. SIMB means S-I-M-P. Simplified, improved marketing plan. Don't forget our marketing plan name is SIMB. Please learn that. I will ask this question before I admit you for the marketing workshop, because there will be I'll be conducting the marketing workshop for very limited people. Those who are answering, those who are answering, I will admit them. Otherwise, no. So what is the name of the plan? It is called SIMB. S-I-M-B. Raise your hand. If you learn, raise your hand. Wonderful. Many people are raising their hand. Excellent. 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 Now we will go to the remuneration. Marketing plan means we are getting the remuneration, we are getting the bonus. How company is giving the bonus? We should learn. I'm not taking much speed and going the lecture. No. I will simply explain each and every step for you so that you can learn well. Am I right? So there are three categories of remuneration. Number one, retail profit. Number two, bonus. Number three, cash incentive. What is number one? Retail profit. Number two, bonus. आपको मालूम है, bonus आपको मालूम है. Number three, cash incentive. All of you know DXN is distributing bonus. All of you know DXN is giving retail profit also. All of you know DXN is giving cash incentive also. This slide, it is a complete remuneration package of the DXN. Now I will explain one by one. That is a different case. But for the time being, you should understand this is the main heads of DXN remuneration plan. Main head means the number one is retail profit. Number two, bonus. Number three, cash incentive. Now we will see retail profit ranging from 15% to 30%. Bonus, you are seeing from the screen, 71% of the SV. How this 71% is calculated? You know, 37% is the group and star group bonus, 15% development bonus, 2% international profit sharing, 15% again leadership bonus, 2% travel seminar incentive. Please repeat with me. 37% group and star group bonus maximum. Start with the 6% and the maximum is 37%. Development bonus is 15%. International profit sharing is 2%. And the leadership bonus is 15%. And TSIP percentage is 2%. Did you understand? I know you understood because many of the people know about the structure. That means if somebody is joining with you, some leaders of the other company, if they wanted to come and join in DXN with you, they will ask one question. How much percentage your company is distributing? Then don't say 6%, 7%, 9% like that. They are asking the question, what is the maximum percentage which your company is distributing? Your maximum percentage is 71% of the SV. SV means a sales value. That should be your answer. Am I right? So is it audible? I got some doubt. Is it audible? Just raise your hand. If there is any comment, you can just put it in the chat or question and answer. Okay, very good. Let me see the chat because sometimes, yes. Oh, some questions started to come. What is SV? I will explain, don't worry. Whatever I am going to talk today, I will explain in full. Don't worry about that. Whatever your question, please note down. Even you can put a question also so that I will see your concern. So 71% of the SV means a sales value. Then the third head is cash incentive. Okay. Cash incentive, two categories there. One time hand phone incentive is there. That is 850 dirham. Second one is one time overseas trip incentive is there. That is 5,800 dirham. ये दोनों एक ही बार मिलेगा. These two incentive you will get only once in a life, one time only. And all other things, retail profit and bonus recurring any time. Every month you can get this money if you are qualified. Is it okay? Now we will see what are the bonus which we are getting. Bonus is totally 71%. I will explain that. Group bonus is 6% to 21%. Star group bonus is 25% to 37%. Development bonus is 15%. International profit sharing is 2%. Leadership bonus is 15%. Travel seminar incentive is 2%. मैं एक बार हिंदी में भी बात करेंगे क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा नेपाली, बांग्लादेश, इंडियन पीपल आर आल्सो लिसनिंग मी. ग्रुप बोनस 6% से 21% तक है. स्टार ग्रुप बोनस 25% से 37% तक है. डेवलपमेंट बोनस 15% है. इंटरनेशनल प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग 2% है. लीडरशिप बोनस 15% है. ट्रैवल सेमिनार इंसेंटिव 2% है. Is it clear? I think it is clear, very, very clear. Now we will go for the next slide. अगर आपका कोई डाउट है आप चैट में डाल दीजिए, मैं देखता हूं, उसके हिसाब से फिर मैं बात करता हूं. अभी हम लोग कुछ टर्मिनोलॉजीज हम सीखेंगे. We will learn some terminology now. Many of the time we are using this terminology. Many of the time we saw this terminology in the order form. Many of the time we heard this terminology from our leader or members. So we must understand what is the meaning of this terminology. for example, you heard about PV. Many times your leader telling you have to do your 100 PV, your minimum qualification. Am I right? So what is PV stands for? What is SV stands for? We will learn that. Again, if you got a sheet of paper and a pen, please write down that. When you are writing down, you will be able to learn fast. So PV stands for symbol point value. What is PV? Hello? Tell me, what is PV? Point value. When you are raising the hand, I understood you understood the terminology. Wow. Very good. See, now this program is in Facebook Live also. Those who are not able to join in Zoom meeting, Zoom webinar, they can see from Facebook. So you can share the Facebook link also, DXN Middle East. Every month we purchase 100 PV. When what percentage bonus we will get? There is a question. Okay, that we will answer. All the question, all the chat, we will discuss it later. Now, PPV stands for personal point value. आपका खुद का पॉइंट वैल्यू को पर्सनल पीवी बोलता है, पीपीवी बोलता है. जीपीवी मीन्स योर ग्रुप पॉइंट वैल्यू, वॉट एवर द पॉइंट वैल्यू डन बाय योर ग्रुप. Am I right? Now PGPV stands for personal and group point value. DGPV stands for diamond group point value. Now we will learn again. PV stands for point value. P value. इसका मतलब खुद का PV और ग्रुप का PV सब कुछ मिला के PGPV बोलता है. DGPV मीन्स डायमंड ग्रुप पॉइंट वैल्यू. वो सारे आगे हम एक्सप्लेन करेंगे जब हम इलिस्ट्रेशन करेगा. होता है भाई पॉइंट वैल्यू क्या होता है, एसवी क्या होता है. पॉइंट वैल्यू क्यों है रेड कलर में लिखा हुआ है उसमें. इट इज रिटन इन रेड कलर. पॉइंट वैल्यू यूज्ड फॉर क्वालिफिकेशन एंड प्रमोशन. For example, every member has to do 100 PPV for the qualification to eligible for the bonus. So there we will say PV. We are not saying SV. He has to do this much SV. No, we will say 100 PV. PV means a kutka PPV. So PV or PPV is used for qualification and promotion. Then what is for SV? SV used for bonus calculation and the TSIP calculation. SV sales value used for bonus. And if you understood, wonderful. Now SV stands for sales value. If you don't know, please write down in a paper. SV stands for sales value. PSV stands for personal sales value. खुद का sales value को PSV बोलता है. GSV means a group sales value. PGSV means a personal and a group sales value. DGSV means a diamond group sales value. Is it clear? Once again, I will repeat. SV stands for sales value. Always that is in US dollar. PSV means a personal sales value. GSV means a group sales value. PGSV means a personal and a group sales value. DGSV means a diamond group sales value. TSI means a travel seminar incentive. SA means a star agent. QSA means a qualified star agent. SD means a star diamond. QSD means a qualified star diamond. आपको मालूम है SA क्या होता है, कौन होता है? Star agent. SA means a star agent. When we add a Q with SA, that will become QSA. That means Q stands for qualified. वो qualification क्या है वो आगे हम बताता है. What is a qualification for a star agent? We will discuss it. Is it clear? Terminology? If all the terminology is clear, oh, so many people are raising the hand. So many people are raising the hand. Wonderful. After this program also, this recording, this Facebook Live, you can share with your team so that gradually they will learn the marketing plan. That's why I'm taking the time and explaining one by one. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yes. Very good. Now we will go to the next slide. What is a conversion factor? For the bonus calculation, we need the SV. For the company, for every product, there is a SV, so it is automatically pick up. But for our calculation, for doing any illustration, any bonus calculation, we need SV. For example, one person is having 100 PV. We don't know what is his bonus because from the PV, we cannot calculate the bonus. But many of the people are calculating bonus on PV. That is wrong. Many of the members and leaders calculating bonus on PV. That is wrong. You have to calculate bonus on SV. Many of the leaders are calculating 6% on PV, 9% on PV, 21% on PV. That is wrong. Company is calculating bonus on SV. SV means we learned in the last slide, sales value. SV means sales value. Now we will find, for example, for the calculation purpose, how we can calculate our own bonus, for which how we can convert PV into SV. Once you converted the PV into SV, the calculation will be easy. Now my question is, what is the PV? का PV कितना है? 10. What is the PV of a coffee? 10. You can check the order form. What is the SV of coffee? One coffee? That is 4.1. SV कितना है? एक कॉफी का SV कितना है? 4.1 है. अगर एक कॉफी का PV 10 है, 10 है, तो 10 कॉफी का PV कितना है? 10 into 10. So 100 PV. What is the PV of 10 coffee? Means 100 PV. So if SV of one coffee is 4.1, SV of 10 coffee will be 41 SV. So we will come to a conclusion. On an average, 100 PV means 35 to 43, 44 SV. On a lower side, we are taking for the calculation purpose, 100 PV is equal to 35. Because there are some product for which 100 PV is equal to less than 40 also. And for the calculation purpose, even in the workshop which we are going to conduct, we will take 100 PV means 35 SV. For your bonus, the actual SV will be calculated. No problem. Whatever your actual SV, on the basis of your purchase, company will calculate bonus and give it to you. But to simplify the calculation, we are taking all bonus calculation. SV is equal to 100 PV is equal to 35 SV. Is it okay? You agree with me? Almost all leaders are taking like this. So to get SV of any PV, 500 PV, what is SV? Immediately you multiply with a 0.35. You got the point? 100 is equal to 35. That's why 0.35. It is very easy. 100 is equal to 35. 300 PV means 105 SV into 0.35. Like that, you can multiply and find out the SV. It is very easy. Now, once again, I will repeat this slide. What is the conversion factor of PV into SV is equal to 100 is equal to 35. 100 PV means a 35 SV. So conversion factor become 0.35. So if you multiply with a 0.35 with any PV, that will become SV. एक बार SV आपको पता चल गया, फिर बोनस कैलकुलेशन आसान हो जाएगा. बहुत ज्यादा लोगों को ये मालूम नहीं है पीवी को एसवी में कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है. सिंपल है, 0.35 से मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए. जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई पीवी with the 0.35, you will get SV. Very simple. You do some calculation in the sheet, your notebook, your diary. 200 into 0.35, 300 into 0.35, 500 into 0.35, 1200 into 0.35, you will get the correct SV. The answer will be your SV. Is it clear? Okay. Now we will go to the next one. Remuneration package, company remuneration package. We said there are 3 headings. What are they? Shall we look into once again? I will explain once again. The first one is called retail profit. Second one is called bonus. Third one is called cash incentive. Cash incentive is a one-time incentive only. Okay. So retail profit. Company is giving retail profit also. That means in the order form, you always see one particular column that is called DP. For example, the retail price of a product is 100, the DP will be around 75 or 72. That means all members are getting the products at a DP. DP means a discount price or distributor price, anything you can call. So when you are getting 15 to 30% less, for example, one product which is costing 100 dirham, you are getting at a 75 dirham. That product you can give it at 100 to the customer. So you can earn a little profit. If you are doing everyday retailing, you can make, for example, I will take one example. You target for 10 coffee in a day. One coffee, you can make around 6 dirham profit. Because you are getting at a 35 dirham, one packet. You can sell it at a 42 dirham. That means 6 to 7 dirham, you will be able to 41, 42, 43, that range you can sell it. For example, average, you are getting 6 dirham per coffee. In a day, you target for 10 coffee sale, maybe to one customer or to 10 customers. You will get how much profit? 60 dirham profit in a day. If you do it consistently every day, 1,800 will be your retail profit. Think about this. If you are targeting to sell one Mycovita every day, you know what will be your retail profit? Mycovita, you will be getting around 220 dirham, near about 220 dirham. You can sell it, for example, 820 dirham, not 220 dirham. For example, you are getting at 800. We will take it as a round figure, 800, and you can sell it at 1,000 dirham. You will get a 200 dirham profit for one Mycovita. Friends, are you listening me? You can get in a day 200 dirham profit from one single product of DXN. But for which there should be a commitment. आपको दम होना चाहिए, अपना आपको कमिटमेंट होना चाहिए और कंसिस्टेंटली आपको करना चाहिए. मान लो आपने टारगेट किया एक प्रीमियम सेगमेंट कस्टमर को, उसका अपना इम्यूनिटी के लिए आपने उसको समझा के एक माइकोविटा एक दिन में आपने बेचा, 200 dirham आपका प्रॉफिट आपका हाथ में आएगा. बाद में उस कस्टमर को आप मेंबर बना सकता है. मेंबर बनाएगा तो जिंदगी भर आपको प्रॉफिट कंट्रीब्यूट करेंगे. बट अभी शुरुआत में आपने एक सिंगल माइकोविटा एक कस्टमर को एक दिन में दिया. अगर हर रोज ऐसे करने के लिए आपने डिसाइड किया विथ ए पैशन, आपको 6000 dirham 30 दिन में आपका पॉकेट में आएगा. कितना आएगा? 6000 dirham. उसके लिए आपको मार्केट में प्रीमियम सेगमेंट कस्टमर के पास जाना पड़ेगा बात करना पड़ेगा, समझाना पड़ेगा, बेचना पड़ेगा. Some people don't like this retailing. No problem. Because many people are coming into DXN not to sell anything, just to make some profit without selling. That is also there. That is called a bonus. You just use the product and refer the product to other people. Only referring, only telling the people. You are not selling any product. You are not physically touching any product. Still, you will get a good sum of money. But to get that bonus, it is an easy way to penetrate into the market through the retailing. Any product, if you able to sell a soap every day, you do that. If you are able to sell a coffee every day, you do that. If you are able to sell one Rishi mushroom powder every day, you do that. If you are able to sell a Mycovita every day, you do that. What will happen end of the month? You will get maybe 1,500 or 2,000 or 3,000 or 6,000 dirham retail profit out of your retailing. And you will get customers also. Those customers will become your member later and your leaders later, and they can become your crown ambassadors also. Hello? No raising hand? You are not raising your hand? Ah, yes. If you are listening properly, please raise a hand in between. Whenever you feel, okay, there is a good point shared by Bowen sir, please raise your hand. Wonderful. Wonderful. So start to do retailing. देखो एक चीज मैं हिंदी में थोड़ा बताता हूँ. ये जो रिटेलिंग है ना, जो बेचना, जो सेलिंग करना, ये नफरत करने का काम नहीं है. ये पूरा दुनिया में पैसा कमाने के लिए एक ही इक्वेशन है, ज्यादा बेचना है. इसके अलावा कोई इक्वेशन है ही नहीं. The more you sell, your profit will be more. The less you sell, your profit will be less. आपको बेचना तो है, but in direct selling industry, in DXN, आपको ज्यादा रिटेलिंग करने का जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा, बट शुरुआत में थोड़ा बहुत कर सकता है. इसके बाद बिक्री ऑटोमेटिकली होगा. The sales will automatically happen in DXN after some time. Starting, you have to search some customer and refer this product to them. अगर आप बेचना पसंद नहीं करता है, no problem, don't sell it. Just refer this product to other people. Those who love to sell, they can do this retailing also. Am I right? मेरे से नफरत नहीं होना है. सेल्स से आप नफरत करेंगे, बट मुझसे नफरत नहीं करना है, क्योंकि मैंने जो सेल्स का बारे में जो आपको बताया. To become millionaire in the world, all people applied this strategy to sell more. There is a quotation: if you want to buy something, comma, first sell. I don't know whether you understood or not. In your life, if you want to buy something, you want to buy a good watch, you want to buy a suit, you want to buy a car, you want to buy a house, you want to buy a land, you want to buy anything, you need to have money in your hand, for which you need to sell something in the market and make profit. That is the only one equation in the world. Those who are doing employment, what you are doing? Those who are doing employment, what you are doing? You'll be able to hear me? Hello? You'll be able to hear me. Okay. Those who are doing employment, they are selling their time. बेचना तो है, हमें बेचना पड़ेगा. आप नफरत करे ना करे, पसंद करे ना करे, फिर भी हमें बेचना पड़ेगा. बट डीएक्सन में एक बेनिफिट आपको मिल रहा है, जो डायरेक्टली जाके बिना बेच के भी बिक्री हो जाएगा. यू आर गेटिंग अ ग्रेट बेनिफिट in DXN. Without touching the product also, you will be able to do selling. How? Because you have to use the product and understand about the quality. Then you refer this product to your friends and relatives. When they going to the counter, when they are going to the counter and buying from the counter, it is your sales. You are actually selling, and you will get a income bonus on that. That is what we are discussing, how you are going to get that bonus. So the first head is retail profit. Now we will go to the second head, that is called a bonus, which I said up to 71% of the SV. What is SV? You can reply. What is SV? You can, through the chat, you can reply. What is SV? Yeah, nobody is replying. You raise your hand. What is SV? Let me see the chat. Oh, so many people are saying. Okay, so many people are raising the hand. SV means a, wow, sales value. Yeah, so many chat is coming. Wonderful. Sales value. Okay, so 71% of the sales value company is distributing. How company is distributing, we will see now. Group bonus. Group bonus start from the member who are joining with the 100 PV. If you are having total 100 PV, your percentage of bonus is 6%, which will increase to 9% when your cumulative PV is touching 300, including your group. When your cumulative PV is touching 1000, your percentage is increasing to 12%, which increase to 15% when your cumulative PV touching 1000. Cumulative means your PV and your group PV, your PGPV you can say. Every month it will get accumulated. When it touches 2000 cumulative PV, your percentage become 15%. One beautiful thing in DXN is, once you reach this level, this 15%, all your life, your level will be 15% only. Whether you are doing business with DXN or not, you are at 15%. Whether you are doing business with 1 month and next month you are doing business, then also your level will be 15%. It is not going down. When your accumulation is reaching 3250 PV, your percentage become 18%. When your total PV become 4500, your percentage will become 21%, and you will get a promotion that is called star agent. Hello, are you happy? Yes. इसका मतलब क्या है कि स्टार एजेंट बनने के लिए 100 पीवी से लेके आपको 4500 पीवी तक पहुंचने का है. आप जब मेंबर बनेगा, 100 पीवी तो है, आपने 2 मेंबर बना दिया तो आपका 300 पीवी हो गया. बहुत जल्दी आपका परसेंटेज बढ़ते जाएंगे. तो एक महीने के अंदर भी आप 4500 पीवी इकट्ठे कर सकता है. कुछ लोग एक दिन में भी करता है. कुछ लीडर्स ज्वाइन किया उसी दिन स्टार एजेंट बन गया. ऐसा भी लोग डीएक्सन में है. इसका मतलब डीएक्सन में कोई लिमिटेशन नहीं रखा गया है. आपको 6 महीने के अंदर बनना है, 2 महीने के अंदर बनना है, 1 महीने में नहीं बनने का है, ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. You can become star agent even within a day, within a month, within a year. No problem. Company is not giving any specific time limit to become a star agent. So how your percentage is increasing in the group bonus? It start with the 6%, growing up to 21% in this category. Did you understand? आपको समझ में आ गया? समझ में आ गया. Let me check the questions. They are putting, somebody is putting some question. How do we reach diamond stage? What is a Facebook ID? I know, sir, we get a bonus on SV or PV. We are getting bonus on SV. मैंने already आपको बताया था. PV के ऊपर नहीं है, SV के ऊपर है. My question is travel opportunity. Okay, I'll answer this question. In between, Facebook ID is Middle East, DXN Middle East. You type DXN Middle East, you will get the Facebook ID. You can share it also. I think Ajmal already shared in the various group. You can ask your leader what is the Facebook ID. They will share with you. Okay, how to reach a diamond, that I will explain to you. Now we are in member. Member, we only reached up to star agent. Step by step हम जाएंगे, आपका सारे सवाल भी खत्म हो जाएगा. When I am going ahead with the slides, maybe your doubts will be cleared. So please stay tuned. Hello, are you okay? नफरत तो नहीं है? मैंने बोला बेचना है इसलिए कुछ लोग नफरत हो गया लग रहा है. भाई अगर लाइफ में आपको मिलियनेयर बनना है, आपको बेचना पड़ेगा. If you want to become a millionaire, you have to sell. No other option in the world. You start to love the word selling. But fortunately, in DXN, You don't have to sell like an LIC agent, insurance agent. You don't have to sell like a banking executive. Here you have to only refer, only share. Share the product. Share the product. Use, share. Use, share. Use, share. Use, share. आपका एक ही ड्यूटी है, स्पॉन्सरिंग करते रहो, स्पॉन्सरिंग करते रहो. Do sponsoring, do sponsoring, do sponsoring, do sponsoring. You will become a Crown Ambassador one day. Because first step is Star Agent, then you will become a Star Ruby, then you will become a Star Diamond. Like that, step by step, you will go. Don't worry about that. Nothing to worry about reaching Crown Ambassador. You have to only do one simple step. Share, 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 share. Sponsor, 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 sponsor. Simple. All this percentage automatically come. Wonderful company here. I'm not talking about DXN, direct selling industry and DXN feature and all those things. Today, I'm only talking about the marketing plan, simplified and improved marketing plan. What is the name of the marketing plan? Anybody can answer? Simple, short form, simplified and improved marketing plan. Now I'm going to the next slide. Are you happy? Very good, very good. Wow, one calculation is there by. How many of you want to do a calculation? How to compute the bonus? If you're looking at this illustration, you will be able to understand how to calculate a bonus. I am only giving one illustration, but in the workshop, 7-day workshop, we are planning Zoom meeting, through Zoom meeting, where we will do many illustration and your all doubts will be clear. But this calculation, you take a photo and keep it in your mobile and do it again and again so that you will understand the computation of the bonus. For example, here, Mr. Manu. Manu recruited A, B, C, D, E. How many people he recruited? On the same month only, for the month of June, for example. He recruited 5 people in the month of June. And he did the 100 PV. Mr. A did the 150 PV. B is having 600 PV, PPV you can say, or PGPV. C is having 1900. D is having 2800. E is having 4450 PGPV. Now, we have to compute bonus of Mr. Manu. Think all this A, B, C, D, E, it is their total PGPV. And Manu has done his own PV, that is 100 PV. What we will do, we are not concerned about those who are under A, those who are under B, those who are under C. What is the PV on your first level that we will count? For example, we will add all the PV. Total PV kitna hai? We will add all the PV. For example, it is already written A 150 PV, B 600 PV, C 1900, D 2800, E 4400. If you are adding everything together with the Manu 100, it will become 10,000. Total PV how much? 10,000. If you understood the total PV calculation, please raise your hand. Okay, many of the people understood. I will explain everything. To find out the total PV, you just write A 150, B 600, C 1900, D 2800, E 4450. And you add all this and add Manu also, so that the Manu is having 10,000 total PV. Now we have to find out what is the percentage Manu is getting. How to find out the percentage? You know, if total PV is 4,500 above, he will get a 21%. Now there is a twist. If he is a qualified star agent, because at a 4,500, he is becoming a star agent. If he is a qualified star agent definition is he should have 100 PV, and from his team, he should get a minimum 200 PV. That means his PGPV must be 300. So here his PGPV is 10,000. So he is a qualified star agent. So hence he will get a 25%, not 21%. Company is giving 4% jump if you are a qualified star agent. Here Manu is a qualified star agent, and because of that reason, he is getting 25% on his total PV. So we are calculating bonus on the SV. So we need to transform this total PV, convert this PV into SV. We have learned what is a conversion factor. 100 PV is equal to 35 SV. So conversion factor is 0.35. So I have written here SV conversion factor is 0.35. If you multiply 10,000 with a 0.35, you will get a 3,500. The first line you can see. Now we will apply the percentage. You will get the bonus. Simple. You have to find out the total bonus, total PV into conversion factor is equal to SV. SV is equal to 3,500. After some time, you just listen my explanation, you will understand. थोड़ा देर के बाद ये पिक्चर देके मेरा एक्सप्लेनेशन भी एक बार सुन लीजिए, आपको पूरा समझ में आएगा. तो 3,500 is the SV, 3,500 is the SV. You multiply with the 25%, you will get a $875 as bonus. Always you are getting the bonus as dollar. Then it will get converted to the local currency. Company is calculating your bonus in dollar because sales value is in dollar. So what is your total bonus? $875 US dollar. Now you are so happy because only by doing this much sale, you are getting $875 US dollar. Don't be so happy because you have to share this bonus with your team also. Okay? Whatever their share, we have to distribute to them. For your entire team, company is giving $875 US dollar as bonus, out of which whatever is due to A, due to B, due to C, due to D, due to E, we will give it to them. Okay. Like your bonus is calculated, same calculation is applicable to them also. For example, A is having 150 PV. We will convert that 150 into SV. So 150 into 0.35 is equal to 52.5 SV. That is in US dollar into 6% because his percentage is only 6. Why? Because he has not completed 300 total cumulative PV. So when you multiply with the 6%, you will understand $3.15 you have to return to A. Company is giving total $875 to you, out of which $3.15 is going to A. Like that, a B total PV is 600, conversion factor is 0.35. When you convert the 600 into SV, you will get a 210 SV into 9% because 600 is above 300 and less than 1000. So as per our structure, if you cross 300, you will get 9%. Same way, C is 1900, he will get a 12%. D is getting 15%. E is getting 18%. You just compute their share, it will become around 529.20. You subtract that money, that dollar from 875, then you will get a $345.80. Is it clear? एक बार नजर डालो, आप लोगों को समझ में आ गया? अगर समझ में नहीं आया तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, क्योंकि ऐसा बहुत केसेस हम वर्कशॉप में डिस्कस करेंगे. आपका सारे डाउट्स वर्कशॉप में 1-to-1 हम देख सकता है, इंटरेक्ट कर सकता है, टेंशन नहीं लेने का है, हम पूरा समझाएंगे आपको. We will make you understand everything. So July we are going to have a workshop. Don't worry. Only those who completed this theoretical part marketing plan webinar, they will be allowed to enter the workshop. Okay. Even if you got some doubts, we will clear it later. So 345 is the bonus for you, for Manu. That is in US dollar. If you want to convert to AED, that means UAE dirham, you have to multiply with the 3.67. I converted it for Qatar Riyal, that is 3.64. That means 1,258.71 Qatar Riyal is that person's bonus, because this Manu belongs to Qatar. If he belongs to UAE, you have to multiply with a 3.67. समझ में आ गया? Did you understand? Hello? Oh, very good. Excellent. Excellent. This is only one illustration I am doing by applying the percentage of your bonus. Now, coming to the next one is star group bonus. Okay. Star group bonus means just see the bottom of this table. You can see number of SI is 0, but still you are getting 25%, which I already explained to you. It is already written, to be entitled for star group bonus, you must be a star agent and you need to maintain 100 PPV and 300 PGP. आपका खुद का PV 100 होना चाहिए और टीम से 200 मिलना चाहिए. टोटल कितना होना चाहिए? PGPV must be 300. अगर आपका PGPV 300 है तो आपका परसेंटेज 21 से 25 आएगा. सिंपल. नाउ आपका परसेंटेज कैसे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं? पहले आपका पीवी के हिसाब से परसेंटेज बढ़ रहा था, अभी इधर पीवी के हिसाब से नहीं होगा, इधर स्टार एजेंट के हिसाब से आपका परसेंटेज बढ़ेंगे. नाउ योर परसेंटेज विल इंक्रीज अकॉर्डिंग टू द नंबर ऑफ स्टार एजेंट इन योर टीम, इन योर डिफरेंट लाइन, नॉट इन वन सिंगल लाइन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू गॉट वन स्टार एजेंट हु इज क्वालिफाइड इन योर वन लाइन, your percentage will increase from 25 to 27. 2% jump will be there. That means you are a star agent and you got one star agent under you. What will be your percentage? It is 27. 25 plus 2% more. अगर आपका नीचे एक स्टार एजेंट आ गया, आपका परसेंटेज, आपका रेम्यूनरेशन 2% बढ़ के 27 हो जाएगा, 27% हो जाएगा. समझ में आ गया? आप ऐसे क्वालिफाइड स्टार एजेंट 25% था. जब आपने एक स्टार एजेंट को नीचे क्रिएट किया, कंपनी आपको मुनाफा कितना दिया? 2% एक्स्ट्रा दिया. अगर आपने 2 स्टार एजेंट अलग अलग लाइन में 2 स्टार एजेंट आपने क्रिएट किया है, ए और बी को स्टार एजेंट आपने बना दिया, आपका परसेंटेज 2% और बढ़ जाएगा. इसका मतलब समझो, एक स्टार एजेंट क्रिएट करने पे आपको 2% एक्स्ट्रा मिल रहा है. 2 स्टार एजेंट आपने क्रिएट किया, आपको 4% एक्स्ट्रा मिल गया. 25 प्लस 4 मीन्स 29. अगर आपने 3 स्टार एजेंट अलग अलग लाइन में आपने क्रिएट किया, कितना? 3, आपको 31% मिलेगा और आपको एक प्रमोशन भी मिलेगा. क्या प्रमोशन मिलेगा? यू विल बिकम स्टार रूबी व्हेन यू आर हैविंग 3 स्टार एजेंट्स अंडर यू इन डिफरेंट लाइन. तो किसी ने सवाल पूछा था स्टार डायमंड कैसे बनता है, मैं उसमें आता हूं. उससे पहले मैं आंसर देना चाहता हूं कैसे स्टार रूबी बनता है. आपको स्टार रूबी बनने के लिए कुछ नहीं करना है, सिर्फ 3 स्टार एजेंट क्रिएट करने का है. समझ में आ गया? इवन आपको क्राउन एम्बेसडर बनने के लिए भी ज्यादा टेंशन नहीं है. हेलो, आपको क्राउन एम्बेसडर बनने के लिए भी आपको सिर्फ स्टार एजेंट क्रिएट करने का है. 3 स्टार एजेंट क्रिएट करेगा, आप स्टार रूबी बन जाएगा. क्राउन एम्बेसडर बनने के लिए 120 स्टार एजेंट क्रिएट करे तो क्राउन एम्बेसडर हो जाएगा. सिर्फ नंबर में फर्क है. बनाना तो स्टार एजेंट, बनना तो स्टार एजेंट और बनाना भी स्टार एजेंट है. यू हैव टू बिकम ए स्टार एजेंट एंड यू हैव टू क्रिएट मोर स्टार एजेंट. The game to become a crown ambassador is all about becoming a star agent and create more star agent in your team. If you create a 1 star agent, you will get a 27%. If you create a 3 star agent under in different line, you will become star ruby. If you create a 126 star agent under you, under this 20 lines, then you will become a crown ambassador. Okay. So anyway, so if there is the 4 star agent under you, 31% will become 33. If it become 5, it will become 35. If there are 6 star agent under you, your percentage will be 37. Now, one of the member asked me how to become a star diamond. When you create 6 different line star agents, you will become a star diamond. Is it clear? But to become a star diamond, to get a star diamond qualification or to get 37%, there is a condition. What is a condition? Out of 6 star agent, 4 star agent must be qualified. Out of 6 star agent, 4 star agent must be qualified, and minimum you should get a 2,500 DGPV. Okay. By chance, out of 6 people, nobody got a qualified, but you got a 5,000 DGPV, still you will get a 37%. The same thing is applicable when you are having 5 lines. You didn't become a star diamond, but you got 5 star agent line. To get 35%, out of 5, 4 people must be qualified, and the minimum DGPV must be 2,000. Then you will get a 35%. If 4 people are not qualified, you will fall down to maybe 31% or 29% according to your qualified star agent lines. Is it clear? I know it is clear. Wow, wonderful, wonderful. Great. Many people are saying it is clear. Now we will go to the next slide. So how to become a star diamond? In your 6th line, A, B, C, D, E, F. In your 6th line, create 1 star agent each. You will become a star diamond. When you become a star diamond, the top star group bonus, that is 37%, you will be entitled to get, and you will be starting to get. Am I right? Okay. Now we will go to the next slide. Now there is one more bonus which is called the development bonus. It is a beautiful bonus. एक और bonus है development bonus. हमेशा मैं हर training में बताता है, DXN is the only one company in the world who is giving 1 line incentive, 1 line bonus also. That is called the development bonus. For example, if somebody is becoming a big leader under you, you are still a star agent. Under you, 1 crown ambassador came. So you don't get a star group bonus because he is also at a 37. You are not even at a 37. So that difference you will not get it. But you will get a development bonus. From the first line, first level, all star agents PGPV, we will convert that PGPV into PGSV. You will get a 5%. You just understand this much. Don't get confused. The first level of all star agents, their PGSV into 5%, you will get it. Second level PGSV on star agents, you will get a 4%. Third level, you will get a 3%. Fourth level, you will get a 2%. Fifth level, you will get a 1%. That means up to 5th level, total is coming 15%. So during your work with the DXN, by chance you are not able to create a big network or big leaders, but you are able to create 1 single leader who become big leader and who become a crown ambassador or crown diamond, who is contributing a big PV into your team. You will continuously get the residual income that is called a development bonus. 1 single line will also contribute a lifelong income. And because of that reason, you should love DXN and you should do DXN, you should continue DXN. Even after understanding all this fact, still if you are not serious about DXN, it is your fault. I'm not trying to blame you, because many of the people, in spite of understanding the depth and width of the DXN, still they are not serious. If you want a great success in DXN, the first and foremost important thing is you have to be serious about DXN. It is not a small concept which we are talking. It is a global company. DXN is a global company offering to make the people healthy and wealthy. It is not a joke which we are discussing here. Please try to understand. You have to be serious. If you don't know about DXN, study within a week, within a month. Don't take much time. And be serious. You should ask yourself, why should I do DXN? If you ask this question, you will get the answer. To get the residual income throughout your life, to enjoy your life, to get the health, to get the wealth. If you understood, then be serious and do it seriously. If you don't understand, if you are not trying to understand, don't waste your time. Do something else. I'm telling you. Many people are saying, sir, I'm doing DXN for 2 years. Many times I ask them, what you are doing these 2 years? They were not doing anything. They were doing some 100 PB, buying some product and using it and coming to the office and drinking coffee. That's all. Then they are saying, I'm doing DXN. Don't say. Don't spoil the name of the brand of the DXN. If you are doing DXN, do it seriously. If you are not doing DXN, be a customer and use the product only. No problem. There are so many people who are in the market. They wanted to do DXN seriously. If you are not seriously doing the DXN, your team will also not be serious. If you want to make your team be serious, because you are the face of DXN. So this development bonus, even if you are able to create one single leader, you will continuously getting this development bonus throughout your life, even after the life also. Is it a good thing? We should be proud about DXN. It is the only one marketing plan in the world which gives one single line income also. There are many other direct selling company. There are so many conditions to get the bonus. Really, I'm telling, there are so many conditions to get bonus. If you are not a big leader, you don't get much bonus. Here, even if you are a star agent, if you create one single leader, you will get this development bonus continuously. The total percentage is 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1, 15%. Is it okay? Very good. Now, international profit sharing. There are calculations which is given. Don't worry about the calculation. When you become a diamond, company आपको international profit का एक हिस्सा देंगे. When you become a diamond, company will share profit of the global sales. Global SV into 2% will be kept for international profit sharing. This is applicable from Star Diamond only. So you don't have to worry about the calculation and all those things. This calculation we will teach you in the advanced marketing training. Now just think, you will get a 2% on the basis of your performance. For example, there are two diamonds. One diamond did 10,000 DGPV. Other diamond did 25,000 DGPV. Who will get more? The second diamond, because he has done 25,000. So on the basis of your total DGPV, company will share this 2% profit with you. So do more PV and enjoy this international profit sharing. Nothing to worry about the calculation. Still, I will tell you, because on your DGSV 100% you will get, and first level it is 50%, second level 40, then 30, 20, then 10% for the calculation. There is a calculation, there is an equation. Don't worry about the equation now. Are you happy? Leadership bonus, again, understand this is also starting from the Star Diamond onwards. That means once you become ESD, you are one diamond under you, because it is based on your diamonds number. If you are having one diamond, then two diamond, then three diamond, start with the 5% and the maximum you will get a 15%. When you are a crown ambassador and having 20 diamonds under you qualified, you will get a 15%. If you are a ESD, you will get a 5%. ESD to crown ambassador, 15% maximum. So this calculation also, we will discuss it in a advanced marketing training. Earlier, we were planning to conduct an advanced marketing workshop in a 5-star hotel. We were almost finalized, then only COVID and coronavirus came and all the lockdown happened. So once this situation over, we will conduct a workshop for the senior leaders who already learned marketing plan and the star group bonus, etc., development bonus, etc. This is a higher study. Okay. So just to understand, leadership bonus is 15%. How much? You can chat. You can reply through chat. How much? Total percentage is 15%. Oh, so many comments are coming. Chat is coming. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Very good. Now, travel seminar incentive. Travel seminar incentive calculation also we should learn, but in a later stage, because if you are not learning about the star group and the development bonus, there is no meaning of the jumping to leadership bonus and the travel seminar incentive calculation. Just understand, company is giving a 2% of the SV as travel seminar incentive. This amount will not come to your hand. This amount will be utilized for the travel seminar plan. That means we are taking every year the team who is qualified under TSIP to other countries, wherever it is decided. Now for 2020, we decided for Russia, this till December. So those who are doing 1,85,000 TSIP point, they will be taken to Russia. Okay, so like that every year we are declaring in advance, January to December, if you are doing certain points, you will be taken to that country free of cost. Everything will be for 6 to 7 days free of cost training, the trip. Okay, it is a wonderful thing, and many of your leaders have already visited 10-15 countries already. Some leaders 20 countries, some leaders 30 countries, like that. Sometimes there will be national TSIP, then international TSIP, like that. So many programs are there. Just check with your leader also what are the plans. Anyway, thank you very much to understand this. Did you understand TSIP how much? 2%. Very good. How to calculate? We will go for the next workshop only, not here, because you will get confused. Now, third important marketing plan income is incentive, cash incentive. There are 2 cash incentive. These 2 cash incentive is one time only. That means total 6,650 dirham. You will get a 850 dirham for purchasing. This is HP phone cash incentive. That means HP cash incentive means a hand phone incentive. That means you will get a 800 dirham. You will get 800 dirham to buy a cell phone. You can add more money and you can buy your own choice. The criteria is, after becoming a star Ruby, to become a star Ruby, you need to have A, B, C star agents. When this A, B, C completed their cumulative PV 6,000, see, they have to complete 4,500 first. Then only they will become star agent. After that, they have to increase 1,500 more and reaching 6,000 cumulative PV. Like that, A completed, B completed, C completed 6,000. That means you are a star Ruby with a 3 star agent completed 6,000 cumulative PV. You will get a 850 dirham as one-time incentive. Is it good incentive? Wonderful. Many of the people already got this incentive. That is a HP cash incentive. Yeah, right. Now there is one more cash incentive which is called overseas trip cash incentive. If you are assisting your star Rubies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 star Rubies in the front line to get the hand phone incentive, that means this is also called 5 star Ruby incentive. You will get a big amount which is called 5,800 dirham. If you are making your 5 people, 5 Rubies as a hand phone incentive achievers. You know what is the criteria for achieving hand phone? They should have 3 star agents who completed 6,000. So if you assist one person, like that, if you assist 5 people to become a star Ruby who is eligible to get the hand phone incentive, अगर आप 6 लोगों को assist करेंगे उसको hand phone incentive मिलने के लिए, तो आपको 5,800 dirham आपको overseas trip cash incentive करके आपको मिलेगा. Did you understand? Hello. Very good. Excellent. Now, my question is, in DXN, how many positions, how many promotions are there? Total, how many levels are there? Anybody can answer? Let me check the chat. Anybody can answer? Wow, already answer came. Somebody is saying 23 wrong. I am asking starting from member. Shiva Koirala is saying 24. Shivakurala, he attended my training. That's why he is saying 24. Somebody is saying 5. That is wrong. Somebody is saying 24. The answer is 24, including member. 22 wrong. Rik Bahadur Chandyal. Kishore is saying 24. Wonderful. So correct answer is 24, including Tej Pradap is saying 24. You can answer. Abdul Salam is saying 24. Very good, very good. Congratulations, all the leaders. See, in company, in DXN, the total positions are Kuwait Sevi. How do you get 24? That means a 24 position. I will show you now. Mr. Senlia is asking how we will get 24. You can go to Crown Ambassador. Crown Ambassador is the 24th position. The first position is member. Now we will go to that 24 levels. See, you can see number 1, serial number I already put there. Number 1, the first position in the company is a member. When you join with a company, you are a member. Membership is free. But to qualify for bonus, every month you have to do 100 PPV. When you become a star agent, this is the second level. 4,500 accumulated PV in your team, including your PPV, you will become a star agent. So second level, you reach second level. Now third level is Star Ruby, which we already saw. Star Ruby means under you 1, 2, 3. 3 people become star agent. You are becoming a Star Ruby. Did you understand? Hello? Yes. Then Star Diamond, that is a 4th position, 4th level. When you are having 6 people under you in different line, become star agents. 6 लोग आपका लाइन में अलग अलग लाइन में स्टार एजेंट बन जाएगा, आप स्टार डायमंड बन जाएगा. यहां तक स्टार एजेंट से खेल है. जो आपका नीचे स्टार एजेंट्स बढ़ते जाएंगे, आप स्टार डायमंड तक पहुंच गया. अभी आपका नीचे वाला लोगों को अंडर में स्टार एजेंट बनना चाहिए. इसका मतलब आपका जो स्टार एजेंट है, जो आपका ए, ही बिकेम स्टार डायमंड. दैट मीन्स आपका नीचे एक डायमंड बन गया तो आप एग्जीक्यूटिव स्टार डायमंड बन जाएगा. When you are having 1 diamond under you, diamond का condition आपको मालूम है. You know what is a condition for diamond. You need to have a 6 star agents under you. So when your partner A is having 6 star agents under him, so he will become star diamond again. So you are already a star diamond. Your partner A is a star diamond. So you become a executive star diamond. Then 6th level is called SSD. That means a senior star diamond. So executive senior star diamond, that means under you there are 3 qualified star diamond. If there are 4 qualified star diamond under you, double diamond, you will be double diamond. Like that, 1 by 1 number will increase. Ek number increase. Once again, I will tell you, 1 star diamond, you will become executive star diamond. 2 star diamond, senior star diamond. 3 star diamonds under you, executive senior star diamond. 4 qualified diamond under you, you will become double diamond. Then 5 qualified star diamond under you, you will become executive double diamond. 6 qualified star diamond under you, you will become triple diamond. 7 qualified diamonds under you, you will become executive triple diamond. 8 qualified diamond under you, you will become gold diamond. 9 qualified diamonds under you, executive gold diamond. 10 qualified diamonds under you, you will become crown diamond. That means starting with a 1 diamond under you, gradually you are getting the promotion ESD to crown diamond. Now, if there are 11 qualified star diamond under you, you will be ECD, executive crown diamond. Then there are 12 diamonds under you, you will be senior crown diamond. Then if there are 13 SDs, qualified SDs under you, you will be executive senior crown diamond. 14 under you, double crown diamond. 15 executive double crown diamond. 16 triple crown diamond. 17 executive triple crown diamond. 18 gold crown diamond. 19 qualified star diamonds, executive gold crown diamond. And 20 qualified star diamonds under you, you will become a crown ambassador. अगर 20 लोग अलग अलग लाइन में, आपका स्टार डायमंड बन जाएगा, आप एक क्राउन एम्बेसडर बन जाएगा। अगर आपको एक क्राउन एम्बेसडर बनना है, आपको ये 24 स्टेप्स मालूम होना चाहिए। एक मेंबर से लेके कैसे आप स्टेप बाय स्टेप स्टेप बाय स्टेप आगे जा सकता है। ये 24 पोजीशन आपको बाय हार्ट करने का है, क्योंकि आपका कोई मेंबर, कोई लीडर आपसे सवाल पूछेंगे, मेरे को थोड़ा समझा दे, एक कितना पोजीशन है कंपनी में, आपको मालूम नहीं होगा। तो यह मालूम होना चाहिए। बहुत ज्यादा लीडर्स है जो डबल डायमंड लेवल का भी है, एसएसडी लेवल का है, वो लोगों को भी ये 24 पोजीशन बाय हार्ट मालूम नहीं है। आपको बार बार पढ़ के, 3 पेज है भाई, 3 स्लाइड में आप ये पूरा कंप्लीट कर सकता है। ये बार बार देख के एक बार स्टडी कीजिए, आज ही स्टडी कीजिए। अगर आप डीएक्शन में सीरियस है, आज ही स्टडी कीजिए, स्टडी करके बाय हार्ट कीजिए। इसके बाद कोई भी आदमी पूछेगा आपको क्या बोलना है, मेंबर स्टार, रजत स्टार, रूबी स्टार, डायमंड, ईएसडी, एसएसडी, एसएसडी, डबल डायमंड, ईडीडी, टीडी, ईटीडी, जीडी, ईजीडी, सीडी, लाइक दैट, आपको सबको समझाने का है। एक भी गलती नहीं होना चाहिए। ओके, 24 पोजीशन बताने के लिए कितने लोग तैयार है? अगर कोई मेरे को टाइप करके चैट में बता सकते तो बढ़िया है। अगर डायरेक्टली होता था मैं उसको कोई गिफ्ट दे सकता था। अभी सो मेनी पीपल आर गिविंग चैट। वेरी गुड, एक्सीलेंट, एक्सीलेंट, एक्सीलेंट। वाओ, anybody can give the names, 24 position? Oh, it will take time. So many are saying yes, but typing this 24 position will take time. Congratulations, Subhash, Biju, Mohammed Alauddin, Mariam. Congratulations to all those who said yes. At least you got the guts to say yes. Dekho, you are attending so many training, but learning, nothing learning. There is no meaning. If you attend a few training, but you learn well, that is good. So you need to attend this training and learn marketing plan theoretically completely. Once you learn theory part, then we will go to the illustration part, the actual workshop. If you don't know the basic, about the marketing plan, there is no meaning of going to the workshop. So you should understand the basic concept of DXN marketing plan. That's why I'm taking time and explaining each and every point. Hello, are you ready? Very good, excellent. Now I will go to the last slide. Major attractions of the simplified marketing plan. Major attraction means हमारा DXN का प्लान का अट्रैक्शन क्या है, आपको मालूम है? DXN का प्लान का जो अट्रैक्शन है, सिंपल प्लान है। One second. मेजर अट्रैक्शंस आपका सामने आ रहा है, सिंप्लीफिकेशन एंड ईसी डुप्लीकेशन, डायनामिक एंड प्रोग्रेसिव, गारंटी सस्टेन्ड इनकम अपॉर्चुनिटी, increase in the level of commitment and hard work, more levels of status achievement. Friends, it is a wonderful business plan, marketing plan, loyalty plan. Please understand about this plan and learn about this system, learn about this plan. Then we will go to the workshop. Now I will take a few questions. I hope you all understood about the concept. Now I'll take few questions, then we will close it. Thank you very much. Let me see the question. Every month we purchase the 100 PV, then what percentage bonus we get? According to your level, because when you join, your percentage will be 6%. It will grow to 9%, 12%, then 15, then 18, like that. If you are at 21%, you own your purchase, your SV, you will get a 21% from the group. Whatever the difference amount, you will get it. Somebody was asking that question. Now, every year we have travel opportunity SIP. It has been certain target point. So that points, yeah. So every year we are announcing the TSIP points. You have to understand how you can achieve that. Every month you can achieve that points, and end of the year you have to complete that total points so that you can go for the TSIP. Why B is getting 9%? He should get a 6. Still, he has not reached the 300. Mr. Riaz Khan is saying why B is getting 9%. Okay, maybe in the illustrations he is asking. Okay, I'll go to the illustration. Let me see. See, B has already completed. B has already completed. B completed 600 PV. That is why he is getting 9%. Okay, B is getting 9% because he completed 600 PV. What is the qualification? Qualification is 100 PV for all members, irrespective of their level, whether they are a Crown Ambassador, whether they are a double diamond, whether they are a member. To get bonus, minimum they have to do 100 PV. That is the member qualification. After becoming star agent, they should do 100 PV, and 300 PGPV must be there. It means if you are doing 300 PPV, you are qualified. If you are not doing 300 PPV, as a star agent, you want to qualify, you have to do 100, your own PPV, and 200 from the non-qualified star agents from your team. You got the point? So your PGPV must be 300, then you are qualified. Then there are some qualification for the diamond level, which I already explained. In the workshop, we will go into the deep level. Leadership bonus 15%. Somebody is asking. Yes, leadership bonus is 15%. Starting with the 5%, maximum you will get a 15% at the level of Crown Ambassador. Is there any more questions? Only few questions are there, and I think there are so many chat. Let me see what are the questions in the chat. Somebody is asking, I want this PowerPoint. You do one thing. This is my number 5549395567. Just send me a hi in WhatsApp. I will send this PDF file to your WhatsApp. Any other question you can ask me so that I will reply to you. There are so many comments about the program only. Somebody is asking, whoever wants the PowerPoint presentation, please send me a hi. I already given the WhatsApp number. You can give me the WhatsApp number. Please put number here. I could not follow. Once again, I'll give the number 05549395567. You can see. Please note down immediately, and you will get the PPT or a PDF. Every month you need to qualify the 100 and 300 PGPV to get all bonuses. For example, you are only member qualified, you are not qualified a star agent, you will not get a development bonus. If you are a star diamond, in that level also qualified star agent level is there. That means as a star agent, you need to qualified with the 300 PGPV. If you are not qualified, you will not get development bonus, you will not get a leadership bonus, you will not get a international profit sharing. All those bonus, you will only get a star group bonus if you are qualified as a member. Group bonus, not star group bonus, group bonus. Okay. Any more questions? Please, you can put the, otherwise I will wind up. Wow. Why should someone purchase product as a member? Somebody is asking, it is difficult to get the people to buy. Very good question. Nasser Ahmed, why should purchase product as a member? Dear Mr. Nasser, you should find out an answer to this. Why people should buy this product? It is not for the income alone. Income is secondary. Our motto is health, wealth, happiness. Last 29 years, company is promoting and preaching and teaching and giving the training about the immunity. Am I right? Last 29 years, across globe, DXN is preaching immunity of the people. When you look at the people, people are not 100% immune. People are not having 100% immune. They may be at a 65% or 70%, maybe 80%. If you don't have 100% immune, you will be attacked by bacteria and viruses. That is why nowadays the whole world is talking about immunity. So to get immunity, you need to have a proper food, right vitamins, right minerals. So DXN is providing the food supplement item, beverages. All these product will make you 95% or 100%, maybe 99%. I am not saying 100%, 99% fit. DXN is giving the fitness level to you. By continuously consuming this product, DXN product will detoxify one person's body, and it will stabilize the body, which is very much required for a healthy living. So why somebody should buy the product of DXN? The answer is very simple: to be healthy. You have to understand in detail. First, you have to use the product and understand the difference when you are using the DXN product. You should feel that. Then your question will be finished. Now, second question is very difficult to get the people. If you want to get the people, you should be passionate about a DXN. You should love DXN. If you are not loving the DXN, you don't get people. Once you become a passionate person about DXN, understanding person about DXN, when you are going to talk about a person, other person should see the spark inside your eyes. आपका अंदर से जलना चाहिए DXN को लेके. इतना पावर जब आप क्रिएट करेंगे तो लोग ऑटोमेटिकली आएगा. You have to create the power inside if you really wanted DXN or not. See, आप अगर नौकरी कर रहे हैं, नौकरी में आप रोज जाता है नहीं जाता है? जाता है. क्यों जाता है? आप पसंद करता है नौकरी, इसलिए नहीं जाता है. There are three things. लोग डर का वजह से जाता है. देखो, लोग काम करने का वजह क्या है? तीन कारण है. एक तो डर का वजह से करता है, दूसरा मोटिवेशन का वजह से करता है, तीसरा इंस्पिरेशन का वजह से करता है. तो नौकरी करने वाला 99% लोग डर का वजह से, अगर मैं नहीं गया मेरा नौकरी चला जाएगा, डर का वजह से कर रहा है. कुछ लोग नौकरी में जो एक्स्ट्रा काम करता है, वो जो ओटी ओवर टाइम मिलने के लिए या इंसेंटिव मिलने के लिए, दैट इज अ मोटिवेशन का वजह से कर रहे हैं. DXN में काम करने के लिए ये दोनों नहीं चाहिए, आपको इंस्पिरेशन चाहिए, क्योंकि DXN आपका लाइफ है. ड्यूरिंग योर लाइफ और आपका लाइफ के बाद में भी DXN आपको पैसा देंगे, आपको रेसिजुअल इनकम मिलेगा, आपको रेसिजुअल लिवरेज इनकम मिलेगा, आपका जनरेशन टू जनरेशन आपको इनकम मिलेगा. ऐसा एक बहुत बड़ा बिजनेस इन्वेस्टमेंट का बिना कंपनी आपको दिया है, इसलिए आपको DXN करना है. अगर वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग आपका अंदर जब आ गया, लोग लाइन में खड़े हो जाएगा. भाई, जब अंडरस्टैंडिंग आपको नहीं है, आपको एक आदमी भी नहीं मिलेगा, क्योंकि आपका अंदर आग जलानी है. आपका अंदर जब आपका अंदर आग जलेगा, पैशन होगा आपका अंदर, पूरा दुनिया आपका पीछे पड़ेंगे. भाई मेरा आईडी भी डाल दे. तो क्रिएट दैट पैशन इन यू. ओके, आई थिंक द ऑल आंसर्स आर, द क्वेश्चंस आर ओवर, सो वी कैन stop it now. Okay, thank you so much for listening me. I think last 1.5 hours. God bless you all. अगर मैंने कोई गलती से कुछ आपको कुछ blame किया तो I am sorry, because I blamed only to make you understand about the system and about the power of DXN. So take care. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. God bless you all.